Hi everybody, it's Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House, and I'm here to showcase the current customer specials that go through July 13th. Our customer specials run every 4 weeks, and how you qualify for these customer specials is you buy one regular price item and you qualify for 2 customer specials. And I want to showcase that you can buy a regular price item, and it can be our sponge, and then you can qualify for the specials. You can get anything, so it could be the sponge, it can be a tool, it can be our cleaner, and then you can get these customer specials. I can be reached at plynch196@gmail.com, and if somebody in my team is forwarding along this, you can contact them directly. So the first special I would like to showcase, skillet. Our 14-inch skillet is the pH Cook solution. This one here is actually our 12-inch skillet. So the 14-inch pH Cook solution, and it is 2 inches bigger than this one. And it is on special for $139.95, and you're saving $70. Food. The one that's on special is actually our 10-quart deep casserole, and this is our 8-quart. So I just wanted to show you approximately what it is, and it's only 2 inches bigger than this one. Our next customer special is on our non-stick collection, and this one's not in the catalog. It is our 14-inch Paella pan, and think about what you can be cooking in this one. It's made without PFOA, which is that chemical you want to stay away from, and it's on special for $119.95, and you are saving about $100. Get this one now because it's not in the catalog. Our next special is in the Marbella collection. Who loves our limoncello? I know I do. And you can't forget about our cute little bee that's on that on the mug. And these are on sale for $59.95. Again, not in the catalog, and you're saving $20. Getting hot in there and in here, so we need a good margarita, or use these for dessert, or maybe some shrimp cocktail. So many options with our margarita glasses. You're going to get a set of 4, again, not in the catalog, on sale, saving you $25 for $49.95 for a set of 4. How about our Lazy Susan? Spinning this around, oh, so perfect for the center of your table. You can have your cream and your sugar over in your coffee station. On the center of your table, you can have your different appetizers, your crackers, your cheese, and you'll just spin away. Again, another item that's not in the catalog, saving you $20, on sale for $49.95. Another tool that I actually used this morning, helping Cassie cook scrambled eggs. We use this one all the time. It is our saute tool in the gray, and you're saving $15, on sale for $29.95. Is on special. I don't have it, but I thought I would showcase the flyer. It is in our tri-ply collection. It's our 22 quarts stock part, saving you $120, on sale for $299. Almost qualifies as a party. Talk to me and we can get you qualified. And it's actually going right now, and it's our air purification system. It's on sale for $499, and you are saving $300. This also qualifies you as being your own hostess, and you're going to earn all the host rewards. Make sure you check out our host rewards video to find out more about this one. Our next special is our high power blender, 1500 watts of power. It's been our top seller in the last 5 years. You are saving so much money. It's on sale for $459, regularly $639. Again, another item that you qualify as a party. It has a pre-pro-go buttons from smoothies, dips, hot and cold. It does everything for you. Contact me again to get that deal. This is our 40-quart stock pot. Look how huge it is. There's a special going on right now with our 40-quart stock pot, as well as our 60-quart stock pot. This pot is huge. It's 20 quarts bigger than our 40-quart. And as you can see in this video, this picture of me, I was standing with the 60 quart. I don't have it anymore, but it is huge. Look how much it takes up me in this picture. All right, you're gonna get both of these. It's like getting the 40 quart for free for $599. It's amazing. Again, you qualify for the host rewards and you're gonna be all set. So anybody that has the 40 quart, right now we're selling the divider, and you can get the divider for $49.95, saving you $50. It's half off, and some of you don't have the divider. Now is the time to get the divider. So these are the current specials that end on July 13. Reach out to me, Patty Lynch, your independent consultant, plynch196@gmail.com, or follow up with the consultant that forwarded this message to you, and we will get a hold of you. Thank you, and have a great day. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. Bye-bye.